Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then, in order to disable location, select Close in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of my device is off. But you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same icon again. You can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section over here. Then manage it by selecting this switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!